Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Sumifs in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have a data and here I'm going to use Sumifs with the two criteria. The first criteria is year and second criteria is a customer. So let's start how it's done. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the Sumifs and select here the Sumifs function. The first select the sum range. So here I want the result, the sum amount as per the year and customer name. So sum amount, so here the sum range will be amount column. Simply select the first cell and use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Then use the comma and select the criteria range 1. Here the criteria 1 is a year. So year range will be year column. So select the cell and use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Okay, then use the comma and select the criteria 1. Criteria 1 is a year. Select this cell 2006. Okay, then use the comma. Then criteria range 2. So criteria 2 is a customer. Then criteria range will be customer column. So select the customer column. Select the first cell, shift control down arrow to select the entire column. Then use the comma and select the criteria 2. Criteria 2 is a customer. Select the Sharma and company. Bracket closed and enter. That's it. Here you see the 41,100 is total sum amount as per the year and customer name. It means in 2006, Sharma and company sell is 41,100 total. Okay. If you want to cross check, just apply the filter on your data. So I select this cell and click on this three dot and click on the create filter. Here the filter create. Then I filter first year. So year column. So I filter it and just click on the clear and click on the 2006. Drag below and click on OK. Then click on the customer filter, the customer clear all and select only Sharma and company. Okay, I select this Sharma and company and click on OK. I select the all amount. Here the amount will 41,100, the sum of total amount. Okay, so I just remove this filter and you can see 41,100 is correctly calculated by using the summits. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.